How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Cash App application that is easily available in your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that you are logged in into your Cash App application. At the top in your right hand corner, you will see your user icon. To head over to your user settings, you need to click on the user icon. So go ahead and tap on it. From the list of your account and settings, you need to navigate to linked banks. This is to add your gift card in the Cash App. Once you tap on it, you need to select on the option of link credit card. So go ahead and tap on it. This is so that we can add details of our gift card, such as the gift card number. Now, enter the gift card number that is of 16-digit present at the back of the card. If you have a virtual card, you will receive a link or a number provided to you via your email. Once you enter it, you will be able to transfer your money from Walmart gift card to your Cash App. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.